The Wind on the Downs by Marian Allen. I like to think of you as brown and tall, as strong and living as you used to be, in khaki tunic, sand brown belt and all, and standing there and laughing down at me. Because they tell me, dear, that you are dead, because I can no longer see your face.
You have not died. It is not true. Instead, you seek adventure in some other place.
That you're around about me, I believe. I hear you laughing as you used to do, yet loving all the things I think of you. Knowing that you're happy, should I grieve?
You follow and are watchful where I go. How should you leave me, having loved me so?
We walked along the towpath, you and I, beside the sluggish moving still canal.
It seems impossible that you should die. I think of you the same and always shall.
We thought of many things and spoke of few, and life lay all uncertainly before.
And now I walk alone and think of you, and wonder what new kingdoms you explore.
Over the railway line, across the grass, follow up and puff the golden wings to spread.
Flying, ever flying, overhead. Here still I see your khaki figure pass.
And when I leave the meadow, almost wait that you should open first the wooden gate.